Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to face this number has already been used on TikTok. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily face this problem on TikTok. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not to root to device, and also this works in every country. So it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, just open your TikTok. Now you can see the first option says use phone or email. Just click on that. Now since our number has already been used, we are going to use email. So just enter any email. So in my case, I'm going to enter any email. Now once you have entered your email, then you click on continue or you click on next. And once you click on next, just wait for it to load over here. And you can see enter password. So just enter any password and then click on next. Now enter your birthday, your date of birth rather. Then you click on next. Now once you have entered your date of birth, a verification code will be sent to you. So use that verification code in your email to just create your new TikTok account. So with this, you can just create a new TikTok account using your email instead of using your number. But if you can still remember your old TikTok account, I'll advise you to log into your account which is associated with your phone number. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new